What's up, traders? Pip Chaos here. Okay, so today's session, we are going to be learning about the other entry types, starting from the sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, direct entry, and confirmation entry. I don't know what you call it, but I call it confirmation entry. Okay, so I found out that some of you are misinterpreting my entry types, like the call I made on odd card, and I think someone misinterpreted it for buy stop, and someone misinterpreted it for direct entry. But no, it's a confirmation entry, and I'm going to be explaining all of them right in this video. So let's go. Share video record. First of all, we are going to be using these two and representing these two as candlesticks, because this is the easiest tool to represent candlestick. It can easily move anywhere you want until you double tap it and it will stop. Yeah. So let's start with the buy limit. What is buy limit? Buy limit is a pending order you place below price. Like, let's say price is above your zone. You want price to be here. Okay, be looking at the chart. Let me continue. This is your buy limit. This is price. If price is here and you want price to come to this zone and then go back, you place a buy limit here, a buy limit order here. Okay, so this is your zone. You place it as buy limit. You place your stop loss below the zone, and you take profit anywhere you want, either above the area or high or anywhere you want. So this is what buy limit means. This is buy limit. Let me rename it buy limit. Okay, it's that easy. Market can be here, and then if markets come to this zone, you want it to bounce off, you just simply place your buy limit here. Okay, so once you are tapped in, the trade is being triggered and running. If market bounces off, you are in profit. If market continues down, it's going to hit your stop loss. Let's talk about sell limit. Okay, so sell limit is the direct opposite of buy limit. It's the inverse of buy limit. It's a pending order you place above price. If price is below your zone and you want price to get to your zone and then bounce off to your take profit, you place a sell limit pending order, so that once price triggers that sell limit, it converts into a sell order, like sell running trade. Either it hits your stop loss or your take profit. So let's get onto the chart. We have to change this to sell limit, limit. Okay, and on MT5 it's indicated as red, while buy limit is indicated as blue. Okay, so this is price on your sell limit. This is where price is. Let's say price is at this place, and you place your sell limit at this place right here. This is your sell limit, this is your stop loss, and this is your take profit. Price is here. Once price gets to that your sell limit area, it will trigger the limit and then either move down to your take profit or to your stop loss, depending on let's not talk. Alright, that's that for buy limit and sell limit. Okay, so the next one is buy stop and sell stop. Buy stop and sell stop pending order is actually very easy to understand. Okay, so buy stop is an order you place above price if you want to get triggered in the same momentum as price. Let's say market is ascending, or let's just call it the bulls are in the market. Market is buying. There is a very heavy buy pressure in the market, and you want to still continue in that buy pressure, but you don't want to enter at that current time. You want market to break structure or clear a zone out before you enter for a buy. You use buy stop order. Okay, so if it's the opposite or inverted, use sell stop order. Let's get onto the chart while I explain to you guys how it works. Okay, so we delete everything, and I told you guys you are going to be using these to represent candlesticks, and we are going to be using these to represent our order, and this as zone. So let's say price, this is price ranging at this zone, there's no distribution, just manipulation and range, and you want price to clear out this range, and you want to enter a buy if price clears out this range, you easily place a buy stop here, so that if market breaks out this range and then triggers you in, you enter in the same momentum as the market, like as the price. If market is ascending, you still enter buy. You don't want to enter here because of the range. You use a buy or buy stop order. You enter buy at that range, and then if you invert this, it's the sell stop order. If you use the invert, I'm actually very obsessed with inverts. I made a mistake today using invert KO. I'll be waiting. So I think I should name this. If you want to name, you double tap buy stop, no, sell stop. It should be sell. All right, so this is your sell stop order, and you will be placing your stop loss below. Should I say, if it's sell stop, it's going to be above. So once market triggers your sell stop order, you are actually already in a sell position. Your stop loss above the sell stop order and your take profit below. Okay, so sell stop simply means you are going in the same momentum as the market, and buy stop is you are continuing in the same momentum buy as the market, in buy position as the market. Why buy limit is you are directing the market back to where it's coming from. Let's say the market is coming down, you want to send it back up, you are using buy limit. Or if the market is coming up, you want to send it back down, you are using sell limit. That is actually very simple. Okay, very simple. Let's get on to direct entry and confirmation entry. Okay, so that one is the simplest. I believe no YouTube channel can teach this how good I'm teaching it. No YouTube channel can do this. So once we are done with this session, I will go to my Telegram account and I will follow you guys up. I will show you the buy limit, the sell limit. I don't think I've sent a position of stops orders. I've not done that. I think limit. And what I did today was confirmation entry. So what I want you guys to do after this video is just go to my channel and spot out the limit order. Maybe you send it to me and I'll check it out. If it's on 10 over 10, if you got everything, I'll congratulate you. You will get something. All right, that's it for buy stop and sell stop orders. I think we are done with buy stop, sell stop, buy limit, sell limit, and what's left is direct entry and confirmation entry. So those ones are actually very simple. Direct entry is when someone tells you buy call or enter, buy GBP USD, buy Euro USD, buy, that's straight market price entry. Just go to your MT5, your brokerage, click on the buy button, set your stop loss, set your take profit, and that's that for that. But where we have an issue is confirmation entry. So let me explain the confirmation entry. When I send a signal and I use something, this arrow, let me delete everything. This arrow, something like this, and this is where price is. This is price. This is the arrow I marked out in the screen, and price is sitting here. Let's say price is sitting here. Price is currently sitting at this point. Okay, so, and I marked out this thing. I drew out my zone here. What I actually mean is not if market comes into this zone, you should buy. This is an arrow indicating that if price breaks out of this zone, not come to this zone. I'm not saying use buy stop or sell stop. I'm not saying buy limit or sell limit. What I'm saying is if market break out of this zone completely, then retrace back to the zone, buy from this zone. That was the order I called an odd card. I said if market breaks out the gray zone and retraces back to the gray zone, that means we have exhausted the seller's momentum, and what we have now is complete bias in the market. We have cleared out all the whole manipulations and stuffs in the market. What we have now is complete bias. That's what the zone is for. And the arrow means break out of the zone and retracement. Not come into the zone, you buy, or just come into this zone, you sell. That's not what I meant. This type of entry is called confirmation entry. You confirm your entry and you enter, and once you enter, you are entering at a sniper level. And yeah, I think you are done with the video and explanation and everything. So let's get on to the Telegram channel and see these orders and limits that we've done so far. Let's start with Euro JPY. This is a buy limit. I won't finish it. This is odd card. Yeah, this is odd card. So if you notice, there is a zone here. A light, is it light blue? Is this light blue? There is this light blue zone here. I said if market breaks out of the light blue zone and retraces back to this place, buy. Okay, so I did say if market enters the light blue zone, buy. I did say if market enters the light blue zone, sell. I said breaks out of the light blue zone, then retraces back, then you can buy. So let's check what odd card is doing now. Odd card is doing odd card. All right, see the odd card here. This is still the zone. Okay, so we are waiting for a breakout and then retrace. Okay, if this happens right now, we don't necessarily need, just place your stop loss right here, and then what we should be seeing is buying momentum, complete buying momentum in the market. So this is a very safe confirmed entry rather than just limit orders. If this was meant to be limit order, it would have simply been placed here. Okay, this would have simply been placed here and put you at risk of unconfirmed entry. So if this is confirmed, you will know that yes, there is just simply buying momentum in the market or selling momentum in the market, depending on the setup. Okay, I hope this video is very, very clear to everyone. And if you forget everything we are teaching today, but ajo. And for some of you that will take entry, I don't say but ajo. Even if you want to do 1:20, but ajo, I don't care.